our mind goes blank when we started speaking in English. Is it happens with you? If it happens with you, then this video is for you all. Let me tell you, whenever we start conversation, it is quite natural that words don't come to our mind. And our mind goes blank that what we have to say next, how to express our feelings, how to take the conversation, how to move on. So, what is the solution? Let me tell you, I am Rasmi and I am here with this important topic, like what happens with us when our mind goes blank, how to fill that word, and what is the best solution. So let me tell you, when it happens with you that your mind goes blank, so the best answer or the best solution is that try to go with the alternative. What is the best alternative? When the exact word that is not coming in your mind, so try to fill that gap with the other word, or which is the quite similar to that word. It means that there are different words, or there are similar words for one word, which is called synonym. You must have gone through if the exact time you are not getting that word, so try to fill that gap with the other one, with the similar one. In this way, it will be easy for you to take the conversation to the next level. In this way, it will be easy for you to move on, because it happens with all of us. I am not saying that it happens with the beginners only, those who are quite confident English speaker. It happens with them also. Sometimes they get stuck while speaking, but the quickly and very easy and very smartly they choose the similar word and they take the conversation to the next level. Instead of saying like I am not thinking, I am not getting that word, it's better try to go with the best alternative, the word which is suitable for your sentence. Try to go with that and express your feelings. So the things you have to do is that you will have to learn, or you will have to enhance your vocabulary. Try to learn more synonyms. What is the word for that word? Means if you have to say मुझे वहाँ जाना है, I have to go there. आपको ये भी बोलना पड़ सकता है that मुझे वहाँ जाना पड़ता है. Yes, same word. I have to go. So you must be thinking that I am telling you that there are two words in Hindi, but same word I am saying in English. So you may say like we are living right now. हम लोग यहाँ से जा रहे हैं. We will have to leave right now. हमें अब यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा. We will meet next day. Means there are different expressions. Which is the best suitable, or which is the best alternative? Try to put that word. Try to fill that gap with that word. For example, if you have to say that I am quite depressed, so it's better. You may say that I am feeling unwell, or I am little bit disturbed these days. My mind is not working. A lot of words, a lot of expressions are there which can fill that word. So try to go with that word. Instead of stucking and thinking that what, I am not getting that word, it's better to move on with the other. So you will have to enhance your vocabulary, only then it will be easy for you to deal with how your mind goes blank and why it happens. Because we have not enough vocabulary, that's why our mind goes blank when we have to express our feeling. And we should not feel shame for this, because we all feel the same issue while dealing with that problem, and we deal with the same solution. We go with the best alternative. Even the fluent speaker also, they get stuck and they fill the gaps with the best alternative, and we don't get the idea that how they are discussing, how they are speaking in a fluent way, in a confident way. So such thing you have to do, it will be easy for you to move on. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.